Hey there, science explorers! Today I'm about to unravel the mind-blowing secret behind why pretty much all life on Earth exists. Yep, I'm talking about photosynthesis. Trust me, this stuff is pure magic, but with a scientific twist. So, let's start with the basics. Photosynthesis is the way plants, algae, and some bacteria turn sunlight into food, glucose to be exact. The overall equation? Here's the recipe. 6 parts carbon dioxide, 6 parts water, add sunlight, and voila, you get 1 part glucose and 6 parts oxygen. That oxygen, we breathe it in every single second. But where does all this wizardry happen? Inside plant cells in tiny green factories called chloroplasts. And within those are stacks of thylakoids loaded with a pigment called chlorophyll. That's what makes plants green and lets them soak up the sun's energy. Now here's where it gets really cool. Photosynthesis has 2 main acts: the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions, which are also known as the Calvin cycle. Act 1, the light-dependent reactions. Picture this. Inside the thylakoid membranes, chlorophyll captures sunlight and uses it to split water molecules. This releases oxygen, which we love, and pumps out 2 energy-packed molecules, ATP and NADPH. Think of ATP as the energy currency and NADPH as a supercharged delivery truck, both ready to fuel the next stage. Now for Act 2, the Calvin cycle. This goes down in the stroma, the fluid part of the chloroplast. Here, the ATP and NADPH power the conversion of carbon dioxide into glucose. There's an enzyme called rubisco that grabs CO2 and kickstarts a chain reaction, ending with the plant's food, glucose. And the best part? The cycle keeps spinning as long as there's energy coming in. But not all plants do this the same way. Some, like wheat and peas, use C3 photosynthesis, great for mild climates. Others, like corn and sugarcane, use C4 photosynthesis to tackle the heat. And desert plants? They use CAM photosynthesis, storing up CO2 at night to save water during the scorching day. Photosynthesis isn't just about keeping plants alive. It's the engine of the entire food chain, the reason we breathe, and the planet's greatest carbon cleanup crew. No photosynthesis, no life as we know it. So next time you see a green leaf, remember, it's a tiny solar-powered factory, quietly making the world go round. Science is awesome,